morning, student.
Morning, teacher.
Today we are continue word building game or activity. Okay?
Yes, teacher. World building. R cas R. G cas G. O cas O. N cas N. S cas S. J cas J. B cas B. P cas P. If. Is. It. In.
Very good.
On. Off. O N E1 C A T cat. F I T fit. I N pin. Activity making sentence.
Activity making sentences. Start. Join.
This is
First of all, join
my
after reading.
English notebook.
Loudly. Read loudly. जोर से बोलो.
This is my English notebook.
उसको अच्छे से जोड़ो.
This is my English notebook.
Very good.
This is my school bag.
Once again read.
This is my school bag.
Very good.
I am a girl. I am a girl.
Repeat.
I am a girl.
उसका तर्जुमा क्या होता है?
मैं लड़की हूँ.
वेरी गुड. अब अगर हमको मैं लड़का हूँ बोलना है तो क्या बदलना पड़ेगा? गर्ल को हटाकर
बॉय जोड़ा.
कहाँ है बॉय? जोड़ो. किधर है बॉय? हाँ, जोड़ो.
I am boy.
अच्छे से देखो क्या है.
I am a boy.
फिर से
I am
read loudly.
a boy.
Very good.
This is a pen.
अच्छे से जोड़ो.
This is my pen.
Very good.
This is a pen.
अच्छे से जोड़ो.
This is my
Very good.
He is her friend. He is her friend. Please come. Please come. Please help.
Pick up the card from bowl. Read and make as many words as you can. देखो इस बाउल में कुछ फ्लैश कार्ड रखे हुए हैं, इनको तुम एक एक करके लेना है और उस अल्फाबेट से तुम लोग जितने अल्फाज बना सकते बनाना है. आर यू रेडी?
Yes, teacher. Bat, ball, box, banana, bucket, bottle, this.
Don't talk.
Tiger, table. T for plate, pencil, pen, parrot, J for joker, jug, juice, January, June, July, jumping. N for net, notebook, nose. U for umbrella, C for cat, cup,